I love holistic things, and I'm a big fan and have been of ginseng for a long time. A lot of people think there are many health benefits to it. This is the Korean red ginseng extract, pure stick gold, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at the packaging. How beautiful is this? A box. In a box, okay. So here we go, and it's 6 years ginseng. They come with these sticks, okay? There's 10 of these in a box, guys, okay? And it's already a liquid, so you can just literally just open this up and drink it like this. All right, let us try some ginseng for you all. Here we go, it comes like this. Love that it comes in these packets. So good, it's yummy, guys. Got my ginseng for today. There's 30 of these in this box, okay? And if you want your own Korean red ginseng from Boto, you know what to do. Check it out.